I'm taking a video.
Okay.
This is Chattahoochee Lake. It's in Georgia. You might like kayaking here and speedboating here. And you should also get your canoes. So come here to the Chattahoochee. It's a very nice place. My dad and I always kayak here. And meet our dog, Macy. Say hi. Say hi, Macy.
Hi.
I met Macy. This is a very nice lake. People like it. Even our neighbors. You can see that it's cloudy today. But it's a pretty nice day for a ride. It is March 16th. And this is awesome. This lake improves. It's by the Corps of Engineers. And we're in Hogansville, Georgia, you see. And everyone, give this photo likes and comments and shares. And I am on Facebook.